Dang! Woo! Grabe naman! Woo! Ang sarap! Dang! Ang pogi, Devin! I miss you! Dang, what a way to kick off The Voice Kids Philippines 2025. Like, nothing beats the pioneer, the champion, the season 1 here sa GMA. Oh my gosh. Grabe, pogi, Devin! Mas sumarap yung boses niya. Sumarap! Dang. That falsetto, that low, like, soothing sound, dang, I miss it.
I know! I was gonna sing! Buhay ay ganyan, mayroon
Grabe naman yung riff and runs na yun. Like, dang, ang swabe lang. Like, talagang, alam mo yun, like, or cheer agad eh. Kasi talaga namang well-executed yung riff and runs na yun. Tapos yung, you know, kakaiba yung pagka-husky ng boses niya. Subtle lang na pagka-husky and melismatic talaga na parang kay Mariah boy version and whatnot. So amazing. One more time right here. Like, I cannot. It's just really amazing. Ang sarap! Speechless. Nag-build up that day! I'm so curious talaga. Alam mo yun, dumakit na naman yung mga balahibo ko sa kamay, sa buong katawan. I'm feeling, I'm shivering. Oh my gosh. Okay. I cannot! Oh my gosh! Nakakamiss lang yung previous reaction videos ko for Devin. Huge improvement from the very first time he sang and performed this. Great old memories. champion in the house! What a huge comeback! Day! Ayoko na. Grabe, ang taas. Like, dang. How old na ba si Nevin? Like, I hope, parang kay, parang kay Coach Tel na, he maintains his, vocal ability na ganito, like, melismatic, na shooting to the ear, na napakataas, tapos his lono that's very crystal clear, something that you want to hear again and again. I mean, I follow him in every social media that he has. I'm still at sometimes reacts and as well as would comment and then would attend his live. I'm still here present supporting him behind. Going back to this performance though, this is 10 out of 10 and let's hope that the new kids joining the Voice Kids Philippines are able to follow his footsteps na in every performance talaga niya from before, like literally every level ng performance he's giving his all, talagang perfect yung execution, talagang solid lang lahat ng mga performance niya, from blind to battles to three-way knockouts and to the finals and whatnot. That's why he deserves that championship. John Hebron, like trio sila sa All Out Sundays. I'm gonna go react for the next in line performance nila recently. And so that's my reaction to the champion of the season 1 of the Voice Kids Philippines in GMA, and this is going to be the first of my future reaction of the Voice Kids Philippines 2025. So leave your comments below and follow me for more.